Automatic.
Got the stop.
All of it.
Now to clear.
All right, let's try auto.
Clear it.
Okay.
Good. Hold strong. Incline forward.
There's a little thing here.
Okay.
More action.
Okay.
Well, that's alright. Then you came a long way.
A little bit lower. A little bit. Nice.
Nice.
Here. Try that out first.
Ready?
Yep, that's one.
Most common, yeah. Every country. But they shoot it. It's the cheapest. The most.
Alright, good. Now,
It's
put it in
very-
auto.
Every country is.
You
it's
come
very
over here a little
loose.
bit.
So a lot of carbon,
Scoot
a lot
over.
of dirt. It's built
Right
up,
there.
it keeps moving. No problem. Yeah, you don't have to clean the single, like, even. Yeah, that's a lot. American rifle.
Charge. Good. Hold it tight. Lean forward. Go full auto. Good. Lean forward. Hold strong. It's gonna move more.
Your 9mm.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.